We've kind of expanded our market. We got 9 of us working, and we're all busy all the time because people really need what we've got to give them. It takes a lot to be an expert in all the areas, so we have to be an expert in what we are an expert at. And that's why I work with SMS, because they're so diversified. They have experts in the Medicare arena. They have experts in the life arena, in the annuities. Anything that I can ask, there's somebody that I can go to that knows their stuff. If I have a problem, whether it's with commissions or contracting, or I've got a client that's got a problem, somebody will get back with me and we will get it fixed. Oftentimes before lunch, and that means everything in the world because that client is sitting there waiting for me to call back. They have our best interest at heart, just like we have our clients' best interest at heart. And that means everything in the world. Senior market sales is my hero.